Today, I'll show you how to store and retrieve JavaScript objects using the browser's local storage. By default, local storage and session storage can only store strings. So, if you try to store a JavaScript object directly, it won't work as expected. The solution is simple. Before saving an object, you convert it into a string using JSON.stringify. Then, when you retrieve it, you use JSON.parse to turn it back into an object. Let's look at a real example. Here, we have a user object with name, age, and email. When I click the Save button, we stringify the object and store it using local storage set item. Now, if I refresh the page and click the Load button, we grab the string from local storage, pass it back into an object, and display it on the page. This is a great way to preserve user data, application state, or preferences even if the user reloads the page or closes the browser. And if we open the developer tools and check the application tab, you can see the raw JSON string stored under local storage. So to summarize, use JSON.stringify to store objects. Use JSON.parse to retrieve and work with them again. That's how you store JavaScript objects using local storage. Thanks for watching. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more practical JavaScript tutorials.